Alright, it's zombie time. Uh-oh, we got a zombie. Oh. That was very zombie-like. Okay, let's see, we got a car here. Oh, there's a zombie back there. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to leave. I just... It's so suspenseful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a playground. If you ignore all the dead bodies on poles, it's really nice. Yeah. Oh yeah, alright. There's something going on over here. Uh-oh. Okay, it's time to go. I don't think we should stay here. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That was an intense one.
There you go.
Oh, we're going in a shack. Nothing good ever comes out of this. Oh, geez. Slamming stuff. Oh. Looks like we've had a bit of a chemical spill out here. Uh-oh. Ew. These zombies are really on the move out here. Oh. Little bridge got a little shaky to it. All right. So many of them. Oh, we're going into quarantine. Ugh, what is she doing? Okay, good. Quarantine. I'm sure this will fix everything. Error?
Code 458. Decontamination station active.
Sounds like they got the blue screen of death in here. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. What in the heck? Okay, I think did we make it? Okay, I think we made it. Beautiful. Very good.